Hello everyone, I am Nikitha from first year CSBS branch, Srinivas Institute of Technology, and I will talking about my innovation, smart wardrobe using AI. The smart wardrobe will be able to keep track of the clothes location inside the closet it using only two cameras. It will be possible to convert any ordinary wardrobe, irrespective of its size and structure, into a smart wardrobe with the help of this concept. Installation of this system will make it very easy to keep track of clothes without much exertion of time loss. And this day-to-day life will be easier on the user's part. The design system will be both user-friendly and cost-effective. Besides tracking the location of clothes using the mobile application, user will also be able to keep the list of clothes according to prior categories, search for particular garments. See detailed information of each cloth and plan what we to wear when. This application will also suggest user what to wear in what weather or for which occasion using AI. Some features are tracking location of cloth easily in the wardrobe with the help of image processing and mobile application. Storing clothes according to different user-defined categories. Keeping track to the total number of clothes, washed clothes, dirty clothes which are in the laundry or washing machine. Thank you.